and today let's make another healthy kids meal, millet pulao. So first let's rinse the millets with water. I've taken about half cup of millets. Rinse it very nicely with water and drain the water. Millets are very healthy, they are gluten free, very easy to digest and loaded with iron and other important nutrients. So these are rinsed. I'm going to keep it aside, and in the meantime I've kept the pan on a low heat. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee or vegan butter, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 small stick of cinnamon. Cumin seeds will splutter after 2 minutes. Cumin seeds helps in the digestion of the food, so it's always good to add all these spices to the food. So once cumin seeds start spluttering, I'm going to add chopped vegetables. You can take vegetables of your choice. I've taken chopped carrots, chopped asparagus, long beans and green peas. But other vegetables which goes well with this are zucchini, cabbage, onion, even tofu, paneer, potatoes also goes well. So add different vegetables at different times. So I have taken half cup of millets and I have taken half cup of chopped vegetable. I want to add as much as vegetable for the kids menu, so you can add even 1/4 cup of vegetables and it's fine. So stir fry the vegetables for about 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add millets which are already rinsed with water and the water is drained out. So after adding millets, stir fry this on a low medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, so that millets will cook very easily and nicely. And now let's add some spices. I'm going to add 1/8 spoon of turmeric. Turmeric is good for purification of blood. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and a red chili powder you can add as per your taste. And I'm going to also add fresh ginger juice, about 1 tablespoon. It's cold here in Orlando, so I'm trying to add ginger juice to keep away from cold and cough. So ginger juice is optional. Now I'm going to stir this and add some salt. So I have taken half cup of millet, so I'm going to add 1 and 1/4 cup of water, because I want it a little bit sticky and overcooked. But if you're making it for adults or if your baby is a little bit bigger, then you can add 1 cup of water for half cup of millet, and it will be dry like a regular pulao and it will be separated out. So I want a little bit of sticky, so it is easy to feed the toddlers. So cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes on a low medium heat, and after 20 to 25 minutes of cooking, it's done. Most of the water is evaporated and it's just the right consistency. And at this point I'm going to put off the gas stove, cover it and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, so all the remaining water will also be evaporated and you will get the right consistency. So let it cool. After cooking, let it cool down, cover it and stand for about a few minutes.